how to check Amazon affiliate earnings and check commission rates. So let's say that you are trying to promote a perfume here. So I'll just do a very basic perfume. So the different products on Amazon will be categorized differently. So here I'm just going to click on this perfume, and once you wait for your site Stripe to load, it is going to show you the commission rate. So for this specific perfume, because it's regular, it's going to be 3%, but something like a premium perfume, it's going to be around 10% your commission rate if you refer people to purchase this item. Now, how can you check your affiliate earnings? If you Google search for Amazon affiliates and just click on the first link here, Amazon.com Associates Central, it is going to show you all of your info, such as the sales which you've made, so total ordered numbers, the items shipped, and also your total earnings here, and also the percentage conversion, so the conversion rate. And you will see how much you have affiliated, or how many people you've referred here and actually made sales for in this graph. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.